Okay, so I have to give you guys an early look at this case right here for the Google Pixel Fold from Whitestone Dome, because to be honest, it kind of surprised me. If you're not sure who Whitestone Dome is, they're actually a company who makes tempered glass screen protectors. I feature them on the channel all the time because these are my go-to screen protectors when it comes to my devices. And I will have videos coming in the near future installing these on the new Google Pixel Fold once I receive my device. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. But let's get back to the case right here. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here. So this case right here is called the Escudo case. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I've already unboxed it. It feels like a solid case. It's got perfect fit, comfortable grip, best protection, all in one, protect all around at once. So this is the box, nothing too special here. Let me go ahead and bring in the case. And this is the case itself. So first, let me set this aside. As you can see, it is a two-piece case. Let's talk about the back of the case right here really quick. So you can see I still got the plastic on. I literally just took this out of the box here. Looks like we got a kickstand right there in the back. Look at that. So that's always nice. And it doesn't add too much bolt to this case right here. It'll be nice to be able to stand your phone up like that, especially if you have it open. As you can see, this back part opens up. That's where it is going to fold. Nice there, but what I'm surprised about is how solid this case is. I mean, it is a plastic case, but it's super solid. And we've got some texture in the back. Even this hinge is feeling pretty solid. Kind of snaps into place. It's not super loose or anything. Then we go to the inside. Got this nice texture here on the inside. Of course, it kind of goes in a little bit for that camera module in the back. Very solid, but what surprised me even more is this front part. Now, usually with cases like this that have a built-in screen protector, it's a plastic screen protector, but knowing Whitestone Dome, they're known for their tempered glass screen protectors. And this right here, this feels like glass. It sounds like glass. It doesn't have any flex to it. I feel like if I'm going to flex it too much, like I might break it. Like it feels like it's tempered glass. It actually feels really solid, really, really good. Look at that. We got an opening up there for that earpiece of the Google Pixel Fold. Going down to the bottom, it looks like there's an opening right there for the microphone. Same thing at the top. And then at the bottom of this one, this backside, it looks like we got openings there as well for microphones, the charging port, the speaker. What about the top over here? It looks like we got an opening for that microphone as well. Looks like there's going to be an opening right here for that power button. So the power button will be exposed, which kind of leads me to believe that there will be an in-display, a fingerprint sensor integrated into that power button right there. Otherwise, I don't see why they would leave it open like that when they are covering the volume rockers right here. But as far as overall size goes, this pretty much tells me the size of the Google Pixel Fold. And it feels like it's going to be a good size. It's definitely not as tall as what my Z Fold 5 was, or Z Fold 4, I'm sorry. It's definitely a lot wider here in the front, which is nice because it almost feels like it's going to be as wide as a regular smartphone, just not as tall. It is a little bit shorter, but this is nice. It's going to make one-handed usage easier for pulling down, you know, that notification bar and just overall using the phone one-handed. And then when you have it open, it also gives me an idea of how wide the phone is going to be. So you can see right there, and this feels like it's going to be like the perfect size for a folding phone. You got a mini tablet right here. It's still nice and wide, but it's not too tall. So even, you know, having to reach up to the notification bar with this one's going to be nice and comfortable. But it looks like it's going to be an overall nice sized phone. But yeah, the Escudo case from Whitestone Dome, they surprised me with this one. I can't wait to try it on my Google Pixel Fold. I'll definitely be doing a full review with this case once I receive my device, and I don't know, possibly a drop test. You already know when it comes to like durable feeling cases like this, solid cases like this, I do like to do drop tests with my devices to see if they're actually going to, you know, protect those devices, especially with this one coming with a tempered glass screen protector. I don't know, it doesn't say anything on the box about it having a tempered glass screen protector. It just says that they're a professional brand that sells various smart devices, accessories, tempered glass case, and charger. Okay, from tempered glass case tempered glass to case and charger. So no, I don't know. It doesn't say anything on here about having, oh, case, yes, right here. Look at that. Glass plus PC. So that is a glass screen protector in the front right here. So that is going to be nice. You're getting that extra protection with your Google Pixel Fold, and that screen might even be even more responsive as well because it'll really bond with that screen. But I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. This was just supposed to be an early look again at the Escudo case. Again, I hope I am pronouncing that right. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my future video with this case right here, my full review, and also with these screen protectors right here. I'll be doing a full install and review. That way, if you pick one up for yourself, you can follow along my steps and install one yourself on your new Google Pixel Fold to make sure you get the best protection possible. No, this is not sponsored. I just really stand by these screen protectors because I use them all the time and they always do a great job at protecting the displays on my devices. But if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Hit that like button if you did like this video and find it helpful. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Again, this is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.